Join me as I take on the challenge of turning just $100 into $10,000 in 30 days. Can I really pull this off? The idea of transforming a small amount of money into a life-changing sum in a short time frame is undeniably alluring. It's a tantalizing prospect that has captivated many, and for good reason. Who wouldn't want to turn a tiny investment into a fortune overnight? But let's be real, we've all seen those sensationalized YouTube titles and Instagram ads promising overnight riches and get-rich-quick schemes. We've all heard the horror stories of people losing their shirts to Ponzi schemes, shady investments, or ill-advised get-rich-quick ventures. There's a reason why the phrase "if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is" exists. Skepticism is warranted, and caution is necessary when approaching claims of astronomical returns on investment. There are so many pitfalls that can lead to financial ruin, from lack of research to unrealistic expectations. It's essential to separate the hype from the reality, the snake oil salesman from the genuine opportunities. We've all been tempted by the promise of quick riches, but we must acknowledge that there's no shortcut to success. There's no magical formula that can turn a small sum into a massive fortune overnight. At least, not without taking on unacceptable risks or getting extremely lucky. Let's explore some of the methods people claim can help achieve this lofty goal. Some will advocate for high-risk investments, like cryptocurrency or stock trading. Others will recommend flipping items online or leveraging skills on freelance platforms. While these methods might work for some, they often come with significant risks, steep learning curves, or a lot of hard work. One of the most popular approaches is buying and selling items online, utilizing platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. While it's possible to find great deals and resell items for a tidy profit, it's essential to understand the market, the competition, and the fees involved. It's not as simple as buying low and selling high. Another strategy is to leverage your skills, whether it's writing, designing, or consulting. Freelance platforms can connect you with clients willing to pay for your expertise, but you'll need to possess the necessary skills, build a strong portfolio, and market yourself effectively. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to monetize your talents. Some will tout the benefits of dropshipping or affiliate marketing, where you can sell products without holding any inventory. However, these models require a deep understanding of marketing, advertising, and sales funnels. It's not a matter of slapping up a website and waiting for the money to roll in. What about those who claim to make a fortune by trading cryptocurrencies or stocks? While it's possible to make significant returns, it's essential to understand the markets, the risks, and the fees involved. You'll need to stay up to date with market trends, analyze charts, and make informed decisions. It's not a realm for the faint of heart. After exploring these methods, I want to share with you the most compelling insight that could realistically lead to significant returns. For me, it's all about building a sustainable online business that generates passive income. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, digital products, or membership sites, the key is to create value, build an audience, and monetize that attention. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term strategy that requires effort, patience, and persistence. I'd like to share a personal story about how I turned a small investment into a six-figure business. It wasn't easy, and it didn't happen overnight. But with the right mindset, skills, and strategy, it's possible to achieve remarkable returns on your investment. I'm not promising you'll turn $100 into $10,000 in 30 days, but I am saying that with dedication and hard work, you can build a lucrative online business. Let's recap the main points discussed in this video. Turning $100 into $10,000 in 30 days is a challenging, if not impossible, goal. While there are methods that promise high returns, they often come with significant risks or require a lot of effort. It's essential to separate the hype from the reality and focus on building sustainable, long-term wealth. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. Have you tried to turn a small amount of money into a larger sum quickly? What strategies worked for you, and what didn't? Don't forget to check out another one of my videos for more investment tips and strategies.